Hey there, guys! With Halloween just around the corner, I've found some spooky, fun, and totally adorable kitchen items to make your space boo-tiful. Let's check out these Halloween home and kitchen finds. Starting off, we have Halloween cookie cutters set, 9-piece. Start your spooky baking with these fun stainless steel cookie cutters. Pumpkins, bats, ghosts, and more. Perfect for cookies, cheese, or even fruit slices at your Halloween party. Next is FEPITO Halloween Toothpick Toppers, 60 pieces. Turn any treat into a Halloween delight with these little toothpick flags. They're perfect for cupcakes, snacks, or party platters, tiny details that make a big spooky statement. Next is Qiqee Halloween Cupcake Liners, 300 count. Bake your favorite treats in style. These Halloween cupcake liners come in fun designs, no smell, food-grade paper, and totally festive. Ideal for your Halloween dessert table. Next is Qiqee Cute Ghost Wooden Tiered Tray Decor, set of 3. Add some Halloween charm to your countertop with these adorable wooden ghosts, cats, and bats. They're perfect for trays, coffee bars, or shelf displays. Cute, not creepy. Next up is Halloween pumpkin-shaped wood cutting board. This pumpkin-shaped cutting board is the ultimate kitchen statement piece. Use it for chopping, serving, or as a charcuterie board. It's spooky, stylish, and practical. Next, we have Halloween kitchen mat set, glow in the dark. Not all witches live in Salem. Some are busy cooking. These comfy mats glow in the dark and add a playful touch to your kitchen floor. Perfect for Halloween cooking nights. Next is El Nasli Halloween LED Flameless Flickering Candles, 3-pack. Set the spooky mood without the mess. These LED candles glow with flickering skull and spiderweb designs. Safe, stylish, and super atmospheric. Next up is Ceramic Witches Cauldron Serving Bowls, set of 3. Serve up your snacks and potions in these cute cauldron bowls. Great for popcorn, candy, or dips, because every witch deserves a stylish setup. Next we have Halloween Pumpkin Mug Set, 2-pack. Sip your morning coffee or hot cocoa in these adorable pumpkin mugs. They're cozy, festive, and bring that fall feeling straight to your kitchen. And finally, Foima's Light Up, pumpkin wooden table sign. Finish your Halloween setup with this glowing pumpkin centerpiece. It lights up your table and gives your kitchen that warm, seasonal glow, a must-have for spooky season. And that's it. Your kitchen just got a spooky upgrade. Which of these Halloween finds would you want in your home?